So we are back with another episode of Salty Mechanics. I am thrilled to see that you guys are here. Now, in this episode we got two different jobs. One is about heating and the other one is about sink. So, if you're new here, I can tell you that this is the channel where you get to see what it's like to live and breathe as a boat mechanic here on the docks of Norway. Let's just roll the intro and get on with the episode. Yeah! Well, good morning everybody. It is 7 o'clock. Quite early in the morning. But this is the best time for me to do some office work, definitely. I mean, during the week it is so hard to find the time in the day, you know, and answering phone calls during work is really hard. I might be, you know, head first down in some engine room. Just reaching the phone can be difficult. What I do is that I make sure that the customer knows that, you know, they can reach me through email. And that is one thing that is 100% sure. You will get an answer, and I try to do that every day. But first, coffee, of course. Alright, so none of the guys are very good at cleaning, including me. And we decided that we're gonna have 1 cup each. So, gotta find my cup. Yeah, I think this is my dog. We don't have anything to clean it with. Do we have any soap? Alright, what do we have here? Nope. Well, I guess it's better than nothing. I know, this is not looking good, but I don't have a choice. It's getting there. This may take some time, so I think I'm just gonna speed this process up a little bit so that we can go outside and actually get something done. All done! So here we have a Volvo Penta D330 engine, 5 cylinders I think, and 130, I think that actually means 130 horsepower. So customer said the engine is heating up and they don't know why, so the first thing I want to do is to just start it up and see what happens. Now, I'm pretty sure the impeller is the problem here. I mean, there's no water coming out with the exhaust back. And I can see a little bit of the impeller, and it looks like there's some damages to it. We talked about this before. I showed you the impeller and everything. I was actually hoping that this case would lead down a different path so that I could take you through some other parts of the engine and stuff like that. But, you know, if the impeller is the problem, then the impeller is the problem. The problem now is that we have parts of this impeller somewhere in the system that will definitely make sure that you won't have that flow of water going through the system when you have pieces of rubber just laying in the hoses and up against the heat exchanger. So yeah, that's not good. So right here you can see where the impeller was, and
I've removed some hoses and stuff, so it's actually possible to see something here now. And I need to remove this part of the engine, and hopefully by doing that I can see the missing impeller parts. Okay, all done. Let me see here. Let's start it up. So now we got water. I think this is gonna help. So one of the most important things we do on a boat before we put it on water is to change the anodes. So my customer today, he wants me to change the anodes on the axle and on the propeller. So let's do it. So this anode right here is basically an essential part of boat maintenance, and it protects the boat from corrosion. So right here we have one on the axle, and then normally, but it depends of course, you have one in the center of the propeller as well. And the customer wanted both replaced, so that's why I brought this one and this one for the axle. It looks okay. I just dropped my camera down, and I think it's a good idea to get the tripod, probably. Okay, all done with that.
No matter where I sit or where I go, I have work. I put all these boxes here on my desk a couple of days ago just to make sure that I would see them, that I wouldn't forget it. But a few hours later, I came into the office, I saw all the boxes on my desk and I just stayed clear. I just floated away, and that's the problem with this office. I have more than one desk. So wherever I see work, I stay clear of it. That's the way I get through my day. But I need to attend to this. Not sure if I'm going to film it because it's not really that interesting, but I need to get this done. But before anything else, coffee. And speaking of coffee, what about you guys? I mean, you watch this vlog, so you're either into this type of manual work, or you're thinking about getting a job like this, or you're just, you know, a fan of me. Whatever it is, I'm pretty sure you're drinking coffee. If you're not, I'm curious, how on earth do you get through your day? You can write in the comment section if you have any thoughts on the matter.
Nå må du hjelpe meg med en ting. Det kan jeg gjøre, sier jeg da. Ja, for hva er det jeg gjør? Hjelper folk med ting. Ja, fortsett.
Alright guys, this episode is coming to an end. Now, since I'm running this company, I have to, after a long day working outside, sit in here and do invoices. I have to phone up customers and let them know what's going on, and then prepare for the next day. So that's what I'm gonna do. I want to say a big thank you to you guys for spending a couple of minutes with me again here on Salty Mechanics. I know that you guys have a life yourself, so thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.